In this video, we'll be exploring the new social media uploader tools found in ContentAgent 3.7.5. This new functionality allows you to easily create and upload clips and sequences directly to these platforms from within a workflow. It's a great way to enable customers or colleagues to easily view the results of a job from ContentAgent. As we'll see, there are also a vast array of options that allow us to automatically customize uploads to these channels. Before we begin, let's head over to the settings panel to set up our social media feed credentials. Here we'll find the options to configure existing YouTube, Vimeo and Twitter accounts. To add, simply click on the appropriate icon and click New. The description and authorized fields then become active, and you can create multiple accounts for each social media type. Give the account a descriptive name and then hit the authorize button. In the case of the YouTube option, you will be given a web URL and a unique code to enter. If you click on the web address, a dialog box will open up in ContentAgent where you can paste in the authorization code. From there, simply fill in the required fields for the account that you wish to give access to. Similar dialog boxes appear for Vimeo and Twitter. Now that we've successfully authorized our accounts, we can build workflows that utilize the new social media nodes. So in this example, I've already got a simple camera card ingest workflow that creates optimized files for Media Composer. But I'd like to also send a stitched version of the rushes up to a private channel on YouTube for people to view remotely. Now remember, depending on your social media platform and account type, you may encounter either file size, length restrictions or bandwidth limitations. It's also best to check beforehand as to what the recommended format of your social media account is, and then create a custom Platinum template accordingly. I've created a template for YouTube matching the specifications set out on their recommended upload encoding settings document that can be found here. This template also has the join clips when transcoding cards or reels option enabled, as I just want a single clip for the entire card. Attached to the Platinum output is the YouTube uploader node. Now here I can choose what YouTube account I want to upload to if I had multiple ones configured in the settings panel. As you can see, I can either type in static titles and descriptions or, as in the rest of ContentAgent, use substitution fields to dynamically update information based on file metadata. Here in the title field, I'm going to use the parent card name by loading the example from the store. If you are familiar with YouTube, you'll notice that all the default fields are present, and it's simply a matter of configuring these as you would do if you were using the YouTube upload interface. There is even an option to output a linked clip, meaning that I can store a copy of my YouTube video to a local network location. Once we're happy with our settings, we'll save the workflow and use CardAgent to submit a camera card. In CardAgent, we'll customize the name of the card so that this will populate through our workflow, and then submit this to our YouTube upload job. Now that the workflow has completed, I have media ready for editing in Media Composer and a viewing copy uploaded to YouTube. In my channel, I can see that all of the fields have been automatically populated, and I'm ready to share this with my selected colleagues or change the status to public if I like. With social media platforms that are not as generous in the length of supported files, like Twitter, it may be worth adding a trimmer node and set this to only transcode a small section of the video in order to comply with the recommended video tweet length. So as you can see, social media upload nodes are a great way to quickly make media available on a wide variety of platforms, whether you're sharing out the day's camera rushes, making a quick version of a delivery, or posting a rich media tweet on the latest productions that you're working on.